This is a quick video about some ABS problems I was having with the car. I've been having the problems for quite a while, if I'm honest. Initially I thought it was the ABS module. I sent that off for repair and they said there was a fault and they would repair it. So once I received it back, I was quite excited. After installing it, the situation was different but still broken, so I sent it off again. They said they couldn't find any fault. So prior to this I had tested all 4 of the ABS sensors and they all seemed to test okay. They were fairly new replacement genuine MG Rover parts, so I wasn't really doubting them. I then heard about Pscan diagnostic system, so I purchased one of those. It did tell me that my near side front ABS sensor was faulty, so this is just a quick video replacing that, plugging in the Pscan to make sure everything's cleared. Okay, let's get to it. So we need to get in to remove the sensor. There's a bolt down there that looks small, 7mm, maybe 8mm. Caliper off, the little blanking plugs. Right, the caliper, that is a 7 Allen key. So there's 2 bolts, one upper, one lower. So the bolts are like the slider carrier pins. Second one. Bring off. Caliper off. So support the caliper so there's no strain on the flexi hose. Holding on the disc, so it's a T50. Let's put a screwdriver in the vane. Right, so now we can see the sensor and get to it. So this sensor was replaced not that long ago. This was the first one that failed. And then once this one failed, I replaced all of the rest of the sensors. Replaced them with genuine MG Rover ones. But the Pscan says this is giving us a problem, so let's remove it. Interestingly, it tested okay when I put a multimeter across it. Alright, it's just started to rain now. Lovely. Yeah. Off she comes. file down there. Pretty clean now. So it's quite corroded, but I cannot believe I wouldn't have put it back last time without putting some copperies on it. Okay, clip that back in there. Right, so there's a clip there, and another one here. Comes up here to this plug. Pull it back out from here. That in there. There. Just clean up that a bit. That grommet sits in nicely. That's it. I'll clip that up. Clip that up. This back on. This mating surface has all been cleaned up previously. Screw rubber back in. Back. Okay, so there's the pins in, caps on the ends. Second one. Round ratchet. Don't run too much. That's all on. It's all done. Why did we do away with wheel studs? Right, let's come through here. Here's the other end on the car. all the way in, and then just down here there's a little clip for it to sit. So that should be job done. Oh. I'm not a fan of the winter. Right, so the Pscan is just this module. So it plugs into the car, the normal OBD port, OBD2 main port, and then a USB into the computer. So now I've got the Pscan up, so we can see everything we've got. You can see all the kind of subheadings. So we want ABS. Ours is the ABS 5.7. Next. This computer's ancient. So there's various info. So read error code. And read error codes. The ABS sensor has cleared and there is no problem. So I find that really useful bit of kit. With this obviously we can see engine information, transmission, ABS, airbags, flash service light, alarm mobiliser and body, power steering, climate control. Do various things, it's really good. Okay, that's that fixed. I've been out, road tested the car. It's fantastic to have fully functioning ABS again. Really pleased with that. The Pscan seems like a really useful bit of kit as well. So hopefully use that again in the future. I was looking through my stats on the YouTube channel. It's something like 98% of viewers aren't subscribed. It adds quite a lot of time to the job you're doing on the car, filming these videos. I really enjoy it, but it does add time. So if you could subscribe, that would be fantastic, and comments really help the algorithm. So yeah, so like, subscribe, comment, really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Bye. Sounding good.